Everybody wants change, but change begins with each one of us. This year, we went to pick up some trash at Kanakunda Palace. Plastic, paper, food waste. We even found a necktie in the process. If your city needs to have a future, you need to be out here cleaning it up, taking responsibility.
Get some kids going there. Take a chipple from somebody.
This is my city and it's my responsibility to keep it clean.
This is my city, it's my responsibility to clean the city.
It's my city, it's my responsibility. VIVO!